revolvers and transactors for 10th and 11th. Interpretation I have already discussed, sir. Transactor and revolvers, what are the terminologies I have used over here? This is the frequency distribution further. Data analysis of NRI services. Calculation of weighted average score and testing significance of difference in the means. So three important factors, three important things are there: timeliness in remittance, the service quality of response of the bank staff, and overall satisfaction. This I have taken to just test it. And further, so the interpretation is like this: those who are of higher income group, or those who are highly educated, there is no significant difference between those. Why? Because already money is with them. In NRI services are the basically remittance services which are done either from India to abroad or abroad, mostly from abroad to India. Because those who are living over here, the dependents of those NRIs who are living over here, they are availing the services, not the actual NRI. So a lot of effort I had to just put to get the data out of it. Further, sir, what I have studied is that those who are of higher income group, they are well satisfied whether there is timeliness in services or not or whatsoever. But those who are of lower income group, or those who are students who are surviving here, and it's very, very difficult for them to get even if they don't receive the money on time. So this what I have studied, that there is the satisfaction level of those persons are directly affected, not for those who are well efficient. Further, the significance level, I have tested that there are two methods: wire transfer and demand draft. So mostly wire transfer has been preferred. So further, this was all about the analytical part which I have discussed. Now conclusion and suggestion. Rural banking need of the time. This is need of the time, that in order to go for the rural banking, because most of the private sector banks, they are exercising only in urban areas. They hesitate to go in rural areas. But there is lot of potential. Likewise, like insurance companies are having lot of potential in rural areas. In the same way, banks are also having good potential. So they should go for rural banking. But another important point is this, sir. If we are having a big bulk of rural population in India, and banking system can only be efficient if there are more banking transactions. More and more banking transactions will definitely improve and strengthen the banking system. If rural areas are not covered, definitely a big part which would otherwise have covered the entire bank, which would otherwise have strengthened the entire banking system, has been left out. So my suggestion is that the banks should go for rural banking. Insurance companies have already started their work, going in rural areas, just providing the insurance, just giving the awareness of the innovative services. Restriction on banks on arbitrary charge of fees. This is one of the factor of dissatisfaction among the public, that many banks are charging arbitrarily, and the norms has not been fixed by the RBI regarding bouncing of checks, for example, or you can say delay in payment of loan. So they are charging enormous amount, and arbitrarily they are charging. So this is one of the factor of dissatisfaction which should not be. There should be restriction on this. Further, public awareness regarding innovative banking is very, very important, because we are going on and on for the innovative banking, and it is just everyone is running behind it. It is just nothing but a pump and show has been there with the banks. Whosoever is better, whosoever is further is going for better and more innovative services. But such innovations, until and unless it should reach public, are worthless and useless. So public awareness regarding innovative banking services, the banks have to go for banking. They have to take efforts in all. Interest of young generation must be motivated. People of lower income education group should be promoted to assess the innovative services. Top 5 contributors which I have discussed were balance inquiry, mini statement, and these the top 5 contributors which I have already discussed previously. Underlying factors of the satisfaction, 26 factors were divided into 7 constituents affecting the satisfaction, and those were convenience, operational efficiency, assurance, reliability, responsiveness, and quality of currency. Now, conclusion and suggestion further, sir. The craze of young and educated people for the credit cards, it is there, and it should further be promoted. Transactor and revolvers behave similarly in India. Further, control over the demat services is must, because there are a lot of scams going on in demat services, and if it will not be controlled, definitely it can attract many other financial bubbles. The main purpose for which NRI services are used is family support and business and education. The respondents are found to use only wire transfer and INR demand draft as their channel of revenue. There are various other channels which I think people are not aware of. So further suggestions which I have given, more banks can be involved for the services, and it can give a substitution effect because there are public sector and both private sector banks in India. If a person is using one bank and if it shifts towards the other type of bank, definitely it will give a substitution effect which I have not considered, but it can further be considered in any other research work which can go on. Geographical coverage can be widened because I have considered only Udaipur city as such. It can be at state level or can be at national level also in order to give much more good results. Comparison with the studies going on in other countries, the one effort I have done, but I was not able to make a real comparison of what happened in China and India. But at least one effort I have done. Similarly, efforts can be done in order to, the same tools which I have used over here can be used further in abroad, just to have a comparison of both the things which is going on. Studies in rural areas can also be considered. Further, various other services provided by banks can be considered. I have taken only 3 services. On this basis of 3 services, I cannot say that something is going on for the innovative banking and all. But still, there are some services which need to be considered in order to give a real concrete conclusion. The research at the state and national levels can be done. Multiple regression, sir, data envelope analysis. This is one of the recent technique which I have come in touch with. I was about to apply this, but even I was not aware of that. I am studying that, sir. And further, it requires 4 or 5, at least 5 banks to go on for. It is a non-parametric technique which can be used further, and definitely it can give some miraculous results also.
लिया